Hi seedlings, it's me again, Yulie. Happy New Year, new beginnings, new chapter, new chance, new goal. We decided to take him for dinner and naka-on na din yung nurse here in the Philippines with roughly 5 years of experience. Welcome to my channel, and again to those who are new to my channel, welcome. Siblings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. Video work from home, how I ended up working from home. A lot of you guys were asking, what do I really do as a certified healthcare virtual assistant? Hi siblings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Hi siblings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Process of how I make my YouTube videos. It's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Most hated, I don't know if she's the most hated, my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. Yulie here, and welcome to my channel. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Everyone, it's me again, Yulie, and to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. The phone calls will be redirected to me. So you with videos here on my channel, they watch on my phone, and they work from home. Welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. It's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, and welcome to my channel. Layer ko siyang ginawa. And gagawa din tayo ng sample today. I was working in the hospital that time. My husband is freelancer that time. It's unboxing time. Mag-unbox po tayo sa nabili kong ring light sa Lazada.
Look at me, I put up this on. Wow! Look at me, I come and show up when I go.
Online jobs na pwede mong trabahuin na nasa bahay lang. Very active to Miss Inka Magnay's TikTok series with Fash. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to start a searchable YouTube channel in the year 2020. Why I stopped using AdMe Fast. Guys, my free mini course on how to train yourself to be a transcriptionist. Sa trabaho ito, if makakuha ka ng hindi ko report na client, you will earn 28 to 38,000 per month. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do prior authorization. Hi sweetlings! So today, I finally decided na isi-share ko sa inyo yung introduction video ko na ginawa ko noon sa Hello Ray. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, and Yulie. So today, I'm gonna be sharing you guys. I'm so excited to share this video. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Out nga po pala sa mga nag-message sa akin sa Instagram. It's me again, Yulie. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. This is it. Ang dami pong nag-aabang nito kasi ang dami ko din pong na-receive na request. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Sweetlings, it's me again. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. And we have a special guest today. It's my husband. Hello. Sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. And hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie.
Kita naman na yung nagduwaan eh. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw yung unang makakita.
I'm excited to share the news with you guys na may ads na yung mga videos natin. Hindi ko pa talaga matatawag na monetize na yung channel ko kasi hindi ko po na receive yung parang Google AdSense pin na imi-mail ng YouTube sa akin para ma-verify po yung address ko. So, I'm still waiting for that pin. This video will just be parang thankful message to all my subscribers, supporters, my family, my friends, my colleagues, the Hello Rach, especially sa Hello Rach family na nag-subscribe doon sa mga videos ko, o sa family ng husband ko. Thank you so much. Hindi ko talaga expect na ma-reach ko yung goal ko for 2020. The minimum requirement ni YouTube para po ma-monetize yung YouTube channel mo is you follow all the YouTube monetization policies. You live in the country or region where the YouTube partner program is available. You have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Have more than 1,000 subscribers. Currently, yung subscribers ko, I think 1,564 subscribers. And have a link AdSense account. I already have the account. I still need a PIN. So, yun po yung requirement ni YouTube. Hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos. No? May marami pa rin pong process. Kasi once you get the PIN, still need to reach your revenue para po mapadalahan ka ng sweldo ni YouTube. Yung required revenue ni Google is $100. So, once you meet the $100 requirement ni YouTube, papadalahan ka nila ng, what's this? Padalahan ka na ng sweldo. It's really amazing kasi na-meet ko yun po yung threshold December 16. So, nag-apply ako to join the YouTube Partner Program last December 16. Na-approve siya December 17.
So, one day lang po yung process ng pag-approve ng aking YouTube channel.
And there's still a lot of things to to do after that. Sabi ni YouTube, dapat ko daw makuha muna yung PIN para ma-verify po yung address ko. And then, after that, after ko basahin lahat ng mga rules, regulation, the contract with YouTube, so, binisita ko isa-isa yung mga videos ko, especially yung mga videos ko na more than 8 minutes. Kasi kapag more than 8 minutes yung video mo, this is also a nice tip for the small YouTubers na hindi alam kung ilang minute gusto nilang i-upload na video sa YouTube channel nila. I highly recommend that you should upload a video na more than 8 minutes para parang may option kayo na kung saan nyo ilalagay yung mga ads within your videos. So, yeah. Once you already joined the YouTube Partner Program, may makikita ka din pong...
So, once na ma-monetize na po yung channel mo, may madadagdag po na parang added feature sa YouTube Analytics mo. Kung i-compare mo noong hindi pa na-monetize yung YouTube channel mo, overview lang, discovery, audience, content, and playlist lang yung makikita mo.
May makikita ka din pong parang parang goal mo for your channel, to do merch, or if you're a streamer, may mga stickers or icons, customized icons for your followers or subscribers, viewers, something na pwede na lang gamitin while nagla-live stream kayo. That's it for today's video. If you're new here to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Click the notification bell para kapag may new video ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita.
Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.